Hello, and welcome to KANNA. In this video, we will be talking about one of KANNA's newest feature, the approval flow. Before we begin, here is a quick explanation about what the approval flow feature is all about. This feature allows you to get step-by-step approval from supervisors or stakeholders for your documents and reports. The entire process, from application to approval, can be managed within the system, helping to prevent miscommunications and missing confirmations. The approval flow is currently available in two existing features, the Documents feature and the Custom Report feature. If you want to submit a document for approval, you can do so by viewing the details of your chosen document, and then pressing Request Approval button. To do the same for a custom report, you must first open up your custom report, and then press the Request Approval button beside the Save and Complete button. A pop-up will appear when requesting for approval, requiring you to provide some information for the approval process. You will need to give the approval request a name, as well as choose the people responsible for approving. You will also be asked to choose the conditions for approval, with the choices being either all approvers or just one approver needing to authorize it. You can also set a due date for when the approval is required. Before the application is approved, the applicant can, at any point, have it cancelled. To cancel a document approval, you can do this by pressing Application Details while viewing the file details of your document or while viewing your custom report, and then pressing Cancel Application. If the application is sent back from an approver, you can resubmit it after editing it by pressing the Resubmit button. While the application is in the process of being approved, the following actions are restricted. You cannot edit a custom report. You cannot move a custom report to a different folder. You cannot change the version of a document. You cannot rename the document, move it to another folder, or edit comments. You cannot delete the custom report or document. However, if the document or custom report is sent back, then you can revise the report and update the document as needed. If you are chosen as an approver, you can view the list of approvals by pressing the Approval Flow icon at the top right of the screen. When viewing the approval list screen, you can tick the Applications Requiring Action box to see which applications you are an approver of and need to be responded to. If you want to approve an application, press any of the applications that need to be responded to. After reviewing the content, press Approve. Depending if all the conditions have been met, you can either choose to mark as final approval or to designate the next approver. When choosing the next approver, you can also set the approval conditions. Please note that the approvers must belong to the company of the applicant. If there are issues with the document or report and want it to be revised, you can also choose to send it back. You can also change the notification settings for approval flow. When you go to Settings, and then press Notifications, you will find notification options for approval flow when you scroll down. You can toggle whether you receive notifications when an application is received, when an application is returned, and when an application has received final approval. An approver will not be notified of a returned application if they were the one who sent it back, and they will not be notified of a final approval if they were the one to approve it. The approval flow feature is available on mobile as well. However, it is only available for custom reports. While viewing your custom report, pressing the ellipses at the top right of the screen will bring up a few options, one of which is Request Approval. Pressing this will bring up the application screen, where you must provide details for the application just as you would on a PC. If you want to view the application details, you can press the Details button on the top right while viewing the custom report after the approval application has been made. From here, everything is similar as it is on a PC. If you are an applicant, you can cancel the application before it gets approved, or you can have it sent back after you have revised and re-uploaded it. If you are the approver, you can also approve an application, and mark it as either final approval or specify another approver afterwards. And that is all you need to know for KANNA's approval flow feature. If you have any more questions about this feature, please follow the link in the description below for more details. Thank you for watching.